Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Update. You are asking me about what's going on with this crystal case. What have you done? Guys, I'm working on it, but I have got other projects also. First thing I wanna ask A1200.net is to this port here on this side. We all know it, just like on the old Amiga 500s. You could open this side and you could put in RAM, hard disk expansions, and all sort of great stuff. Now I have put this Spitfire 500 from Jan Bilana, that he sent this one to me. I have this cable that goes out to the side here with a switch, so I can switch live between 7 or 14 megahertz. If I close this gap, then I can't do it on the fly. I have to open it or have some other long cables out here or something. I don't know. But I want to ask the guys from A1200.net if they could make a hole here so other people can do the same stuff. That's the first thing I'm thinking about. The next thing is I haven't assembled everything, because usually on all my Amiga 500s, Amiga 1200s, Commodore 64s, the top RF shield, I always take it out and throw it out. I don't understand people that takes them off, removes all the rust and paints and then put it on top. No, remove it. But the bottom side, remove it and get bare air circulation off the top side. But the bottom side is great to have. Especially at the back side, it gives more stability with the ports and stuff like that. So I'm still waiting on Centurion Tech, usually a great company. They send me Go X drives and stuff like that. I'm still waiting on they make this metal bracket at the back side. So before that's come in, I'm not gonna assemble everything. So yeah, another update there. The third update, something that really irritates me. This board has been built with, as you can see, all the chips, also joystick controller and stuff like that. Everything is socketed, and everything is with round sockets. Now, nothing wrong with that, but the RAM chips are pretty high up. So I used a mechanical keyboard from my revision 3 Amiga 500, and when it clicked in here, then it didn't get the support at the side of this case. No, the whole metal part was laying on top of my RAM chips here. It doesn't short, nothing like that, and some will maybe say that the metal part at the back side of the keyboard will act as a passive cooler, but for the RAM chips. But no, guys, I really don't like that. So I took this from my revision 8.1A Amiga 500 Plus case. These keyboards are newer, they're not mechanical, cheaper made by Commodore. I just put it in, and you know what? It doesn't hit the RAM. So it was just an issue with my revision 3 mechanical keyboard. So these type of keyboards, a lot like the Amiga 500 revision 6, when you put them on here, if you have socketed RAM with round, because these round ones, they have maybe 1 millimeter or maybe 2 millimeters space from the socket to the bottom side of the RAM chips. That's not an issue if you use the old, are they called leaves? Those old sockets that will go all the way down. But these round ones, they have super grip. I like them, but when you want to check stuff out, they hold really tight. So yeah, be careful when you do something like that. One other thing is, when everything is ready, I want to have a floppy drive installed this one. I know most of you guys don't like floppies today, they don't work and all sort of stuff. Every time I use floppies on my videos, there's a handful of people that says, what are you doing? Why are you using floppies? But you know what, guys? I use floppies because I love them. They're, you know, nostalgic Amiga love for me, so yeah. So this one is gonna... What, do I only have one channel or what? No. Blue Monday. Yeah, both channels. Okay. So I'm gonna install this one. Bam! But as you can see, it's the crystal case open here on top. Really love that. And I want to mount this in a way so I can see when the drive is spinning, when the flop disk is opened, and when the head is reading. So I want to see all the guts through this crystal clear Amiga 500 case. So I have asked some of my friends if they have got this water cutter that they can cut this perfectly, because I'm not gonna use a Dremel and cut here. It will look awful if I did something like that. Or if there is some sort of 3D print stuff that I can print and mount this without this top cover. I want this top cover completely removed, but that's not possible because the mount here goes into the side here, and 3 screws at the bottom. They go in here, here, and there. And as you can see, this is on the top cover. So yeah, guys, I have those projects in the way. So this is just a turbo update. I hope you enjoyed this. All your mails, I'm thankful. It's so cool that you're so active. Yeah, this is just a general update. This is what I'm working on at my spare time. It's weekend now, so I'm still totally in love with this A500++ board. Runs rock solid. I have no vertical lines, no nothing. As you can see, everything is just beautiful, and we are running at 14 megahertz with 2 megabyte chip RAM and 8 megabyte fast RAM that's built in here, and 1 megabyte chip here, 1 megabyte chip here. Love this board. The Amiga 500 crystal case here. I love it, man. It's beautiful. So yeah, when everything is done, I'm gonna make something of this beautiful case. Until next time, I wish you all a great summer. Bye.